Hey, it's Dr. Nikki at All American Medical Supply. You recently received your order of some bathroom safety. I'm here to help you how to install it. Let's unbox your raised toilet seat by McKesson. Ready? Pull out the raised toilet seat by tipping the box over and grabbing the plastic bag. You'll now see that there's an opening. Best way is to grab it and pull it out. Inside, you'll see the raised toilet seat arms. We'll need those. Let's get rid of the box. And let's undo all the plastic packaging. Ready? Let's insert the side rails. They're both curved, and that's to approximate and give you a little more room inside. So this one is for the left right here. I lined it up and give it a little push. It'll stop at that gold button. Let's do the same for the opposite. To make it easy to depress the handles and unlock them, I've got the raised toilet seat on its side. I'm going to press the button and slide it past. Press the other side as well. Slide it past and then insert till it locks. Let's do the other side. Flip it over. Push the stopper down. Push the other stopper down. Push it through. Once you see that pop out, that means it's locked in place. If you ever need to remove them, just press both sides and pull out. The front of the raised toilet seat has a hygiene cutout. That's to help you reach in to clean, and an unlock and lock mechanism. This is what helps to keep the raised toilet seat stable on the toilet. If I raise it up, you'll see the grip here. Watch. This is tightening it. The grip comes closer to the bowl, and unlocking it when you want to remove it. Goes further away so that you can pop it off. We just finished assembling the raised toilet seat. Now it's time to mount it. Grab the raised toilet seat and go to the bathroom. Raise the toilet seat. Lift the raised toilet seat, and the flat part is going to go up against the tank. I've pushed it all the way back, and now I'm going to start to lock it by turning to the right. Hold it up against the toilet, keeping pressure, and keep turning. Now the turn becomes a little bit more difficult. That means that grip has come in contact with the bowl. Now you'll see that it's not moving. Give it a little bit more of a turn and you're all set. It's super easy to remove it for cleaning or if someone else needs to use the toilet. Just turn the style counterclockwise to the left till it becomes loosened and then pick it up. Clean your bowl and you're ready to go.